Here's the Dewalt Tough System wall mount. I got the power inverter charger, the new Tough System boxes with the overflow batteries. There's the 20 volt Dewalts, 18 volt NiCads. Yes, I still have a lot of tools from the 18 volt area, still running strong. Some overflow M18 batteries, 12 amp, 5 amp, 3 amps. Some overflow M12 batteries and extreme batteries, 12 volt. That's the rag one. Rag box. It's got all the mechanics rags. Down here's got Dewalt and Milwaukee bags. So when I need them, they're there. Dewalt Tough System radio, DS carrier, T-stack came with one of the 12 volt extremes. Packouts. Full tools on that one. Full tools on that one. Milwaukee packout wall mount. I just put them in there with I don't know if you can see the tap cons. 4 tap cons with washers seem to hold them pretty good on concrete wall. Pretty much all my pack out Tough System cases are full of stuff. This one's just got foam in it. Soon to be making more cases. This is one of the ones I just did. See how I got that set up. This I'm probably going to take out and make that the bigger battery section for the 3.0s and 6.0s. But there's the fuel, impact driver, hammer drill. There's the surge. I'm not digging that out, but that's got some 20 volt impacts and various other tools and batteries and stuff in there, but not too bad for my first foam cutout. I got a kit over here I made up. Show you that real quick on the foam cutouts. Since the Kaizen blades, the real thin ones. Various other blades. Kaizen blade here. That's the blade that you want to have to cut out the foam. It's the actual Kaizen blade. Kaizen, however you want to pronounce it. It's Kaizen knife. I'm probably butchering it, but yeah. But get that knife and get that thin blade. It allows you to do the curves a lot better. But various other small knives. The Kaizen knife kit. It works well for there's Ellie. On the foam cutouts, you'll see like the rough edges. If you want a nice smooth edge, just use that hot knife. You can edge them out. There's the pack out system, Dewalt Tough System. And if you ask me to vote on which one or the other, honestly, I would go with Tough System. The modularity of it with the DS carrier, the ability to pull out a drawer without having to, like that one right there, moving one to get the one. To me, Tough System has it right now. The pack out comes out with something like the DS carrier or the wall mount system where you can pull out a single one at a time. I have to give it the pack out. But right now, Tough System's got it. Thanks.